The question says, prove that 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square. Now here you see, if you look at the left hand side, which is 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, what can we do, Max? We can change the sin theta in terms of cosec, and denominator also remains same. You can change sin into cosec, and then you can take sum of the LCM, and then you can go ahead. This is one of the option. If you look at the right hand side, here you can do many of the changes. First of all, sec theta can be written as 1 by cos. Now whenever we get in cos and sin, see, one of the side is already in form of sin. So if I change the other side into sin and cos, we can easily get this result. I hope you understand this point. So let us start this problem with the right hand side and see what happens. Here we have sec theta, and we know sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta whole square. Here taking the LCM, which is cos theta, here you have 1 plus sin theta whole square. Now you know 1 plus sin theta whole square, this is what you have, okay, and here you have, look, I am writing 1 plus sin theta whole square. I am just separating it out. Here you have cos theta whole square, so this can be written as cos square theta. Now recall your identity, you know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So in place of cos square theta, because if you look at the left hand side, it is all of it is in form of sin. Look at the numerator, it is already in form of sin theta, so I am quite happy with that. Look at the denominator, only this part is not in form of sin. So let me transfer this into form in form of sin theta. Now I want to change this cos square theta, so keeping that at the left hand side, let me transfer sin square theta to the other side, which is 1 minus sin square theta. So I know in place of cos square theta can be replaced with 1 minus sin square theta. 1 plus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin square theta. If you look at the answer, here we do not have any kind of square. Okay, so what clicks my mind over here? Since you have sin square theta, can 1 be written as square? Because 1 square is 1 itself. Now this is in the form of x square minus y square form. So we know x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So can this be written in the form x square minus y square? Yes. So look at this, 1 plus sin theta whole square by x square minus y square. This can be written as 1 plus sin theta, using this identity, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Look, here you have 1 plus sin theta whole square. So one of it gets cancelled with 1 plus sin theta. Yes or no? Yeah. So this and the square get cancelled. So we need not show this step. So this can be written as 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Now look, this exactly matches with the left hand side. So we can say therefore LHS equal to RHS. Proved.